Nope. Double dinger time.
Lord.
Yes, sir.
Oh.
What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Crack Addicts YouTube channel. Today, again, I've got another big chiropractic adjustment compilation video for you, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. Before we get into the video, if you want to skip the commentary, go straight to 1 minute 30 seconds and the video will roll out from there. Anyway, make sure you react to the video today. I want to see loads of comments in the comment section, seeing what you thought of the video, what you want to see next, if you want to see specific chiropractors in upcoming videos just by themselves or in compilations like I'm doing. So make sure you leave a comment and let me know. If you enjoy the video, make sure you drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you do enjoy the content. Now, if you haven't actually checked out my previous upload, which I posted yesterday, that got a very good response. I'll have a link to that in the description and I'll throw it up on the screen so you know which video it is and you can go and check that out also. But anyway, just before we get into it, I've got quite a few chiropractors in this video today. If you want to get in contact with any of them, I'll have links to them in the description where you can get in contact with them. If you want to book an appointment or visit any of them for treatment, you can do so. But that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you liked the video. Like I say, like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I'm going to roll the footage now, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Good, nice.
You feel that? It's not
Yeah.
very smooth. It's a little crunchy.
Yeah, when I work out and I do like my side planks,
Yeah?
and I like do, you know, like the love handle workout, you kind of like go down with your hips.
What are you talking about? I don't know what love handles are. I don't have loves.
Oh my Jesus Christ.
5, 4, 3. That's a home run.
Bro, I'm literally drooling.
Let's get a little more on this side. I just want to get a little deeper set. Gotcha. Bueno. Now. That's 2. You okay?
No.
What?
No.
Look at that.
Relájate. That was so good. I thought it was gonna hurt. It's just shocking. It literally is just shocking. Here?
Nope.
My chest doesn't have to be here?
No, como
Oh,
está.
so down
Ahí,
here.
ajá.
Fix yourself.
Baja
so
la columna, ajá.
Bueno.
Yeah.
All the way down. Bring your knees back a little. I gotta go down as far as you'll let me, okay? There you go. Bueno? Home run. Gotcha. Now, walk it off.
Okay.
Now we're gonna set AS talus, medial tilt on this side, okay? Home run.
My mom's trying
Turn
to
to
see
your...
Actually, come right down, yeah. Good. Other side, please. That drop. Good. On your back, please. The exercises are working. You're going to work on those while you're overseas.
Yep.
Good.
Peterson?
Go right into me. Good. Other way.
Yeah.
Face up. How'd you find her?
Through another horse lady.
Take a deep breath. Release it out. And big breath in and release. To my hand right here. And relax it. Push again. And relax. Good.
push your left ear into my hand and relax. Good.
Yeah, see, I need to keep coming to you. She just not, I don't feel like she's as effective. And she's
Well,
not as-
everybody's different.
She's not as thorough.
Everybody's different in how. And the other one here. Good.
That's, I need to schedule a massage too.
Goes
Yeah,
up, and a side drop.
Right.
Okay, gotcha. Okay, here we go. This is the thoracic spine here. Oh, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna work on this lower back, about L3. Okay. Very good. Okay, now when I tell you, I want you to bend your legs for me, if you would.
Like
Bend
this?
your legs, yep, there you go. Go ahead, bend them all the way. Touch your heels to the rear end.
Oh, yeah.
Perfect, there you
Good
go.
job.
All right, let me check. Yeah, your shoulders
Yep.
are not too bad, which is amazing
Yeah.
considering you're doing well.
Yeah, good
I have
job.
this one. Now tilt your head back, put your chin out for me. Let it relax.
Oh, man, that was great.
Good. Did you hear that, Sam?
Oh, your crack addicts
That was
gonna
for
love
your
you
crack
too.
addicts right there.
That's your crack addicts now too.
All right, now go ahead and stand up for me.
Oh, that felt great.
So let's-
Time too.
Well, you know, when we learned how to do this, we were together many years ago. Go ahead and grit your teeth for me.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Very
Good job.
All right,
Home run.
get you up out of here.
Oh, that was great.
There you go.
Ooh, it's so nice. I feel the blood rushing down my legs again.
That's good for you.
Yeah, it is. Thanks, sir.
You get up. Oh, wait, I gotta lower you down though. You can't get up.
Tom Ball, he is your congressman. And he's chairman of the Ways and Means Committee. Yeah. You got that chiropractor mid-back thing going on. Really tight. Healthcare delivery system. Through the Texas Chiropractic Association, American Chiropractic Association. And I also put a link in this video for you to donate to the little
This
kink
shoulder,
in this one. That's
yeah.
your golf shoulder, huh?
It is. It's
Your
all
driver. There you go.
There you go.
It hadn't been a joint I couldn't adjust. Asking the joints and therefore the nerves. Okay, just breathe through your nose. Just like that.
That worked.
Do you feel that all the way down?
I still feel it.
And look at there, he's still kicking.
I'm working.
That's my favorite adjustment.
I got rid of some adhesions, I'll tell you.
Yes, sir. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Good. Yep. And now, there you go. Smooth as silk. And then her bit. Okay. Wiggle your left ear. There you go. Right ear. That's it. Good job. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Live yet today. There you go. That's it. Okay.
Breathe in,
Breathe in
breathe out.
and out. Breathe in,
Breathe in,
breathe
Out.
out.
breathe in, out. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
Nice and easy. Yes, ma'am.
Wasn't that bad. Like the
No,
first one.
it gets easier, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
First one's always the worst one. Tilt your left ear to your left shoulder. Mm-hmm. Right ear to right shoulder where your left big ear. There you go. See that? Just keep breathing. Don't hold your breath on me. There you go. That's a girl. One more. Right there. I knew it was there. So your body will remember getting this adjustment, and then you'll see it, and it'll register in your brain again. It'll make you feel good at home watching it on TV. We have a lot of people watch drama queen.
No, that's not gonna.
Yeah, okay.
It's not gonna
I'll
work.
get it over with. Now, if I loosen them up, you're gonna slip through. If you let me get it over with, it'll be fine. See? Perfect. There we go.
That hurts my hips.
Didn't hurt me a bit. Here, let me have it.
That hurts my hips. It's too much.
Okay, let me have your neck. Okay, that's it. There we go. Okay. Wash your hands right there for me. That's it. You guys go eat at Irma's yet?
No.
Or Taste of Texas? There you go. Good. Okay. Those are two. There you go. That's it.
Let your leg hang down. I'm going to be contacting right here on this L4, L5 region, right where this transverse process, and I'm actually going to push down this way. All right, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm actually going to distract you a little bit more, just like that. Take a deep breath in, exhale out. Good, good. You all right?
Yeah.
Good. Again, exhale out. I'm gonna have you flip on right in through here, and I'm gonna turn back here, and I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in, exhale out, and I'm gonna roll you back a little bit more, good, good. And then one more time here, and exhale out, good. There it is.
Good.
Alright. And then I'm gonna take this just like this. Alright, so now and then based on our x-rays, I'm gonna contact and adjust this left side as well too. So I'm going to go right here. So I'm just going to have you relax a lot. Good. Good. There's right here. Good. How'd that feel?
Yeah.
Good. So I'm going to go on this left atlas region right here. And then just try to relax a little bit more. Good. Good. Whenever I'm adjusting her, it is really, really stuck. Relax your shoulders.
Same thing on the other side. The only thing here is we're going to drop down one more level. We're going to be on T3 here instead of T2. There we go. First, we're going to do adjustment, which is a prone adjustment. All prone means is face down, where supine means face up. So we're going to start with the prone thoracic adjustment. I'm going to have you take a deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and exhale all the way out. Good. There we go. And now we're going to work on that lumbar spine. Good. There we go. Good. And I'm going to have you turn to the other side for me. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna have you lay flat on your back. And then from here, we're gonna distract out. Well, let me first make sure. Okay, so she has no earrings, which is good. And then I'm gonna distract out. And with the light thrust. Oh, how was that?
It's good.
So we'll start actually with the leg pull. Just opens everything up, at, you know, from the ankle, the knee, going into the hip. And we'll start right through here. Good. Relax it. And, you know, she's feeling, you know, some distraction movement in here, and that's the main thing of what I'm going for. And then when we bring the ankle up.
Walk it off, please. You feel it right now?
And it's only when I bend my knees.
Bend which way?
This is exactly the moment
Yeah.
where it gives me pain.
In the coccyx?
Nope. In
The hips. Still have more of the atlas. Bear with me, okay? Just bear with me. It's gonna be quick. Got it. That's it. Head down. What are you talking about?
right now it's gone.
Right now.
Mm-hmm.
It's primary that atlas. And we just gotta make sure we give it that healing time, okay?
Uh-huh.
That's all. Correct, and that's the one I'm going to adjust back in place, okay? And you can see the little pimple right there.
Mm-hmm.
And that we always find correlates to the level of the nerve pressure.
Mm.
Bring your knees up a little bit. Okay, and turn the toes. There. Gotcha. That's it. Done.
Jumps are good. How weird.
Gone?
Gone.
Now, remember the other one you have to do? That's it. That's it. Almost. Almost. Bear with me, okay? Got it. Thank you.
Good again. Good. Now breathe in and hold it in. Good, all the way out. Good. And one more. Good. Now, turn on your side facing this way. So we started seeing Miss Charity before her first show, right? Came in, shoulder pain, it's pretty bad. She was, didn't know if she was going to be able to compete. What, you got second your first time, disappointed with that, went back for another show. What was your second show?
The branch.
Branch Warren, and got
Placed first in novice, second in open, and third in masters.
first, second, third. And let's roll this way. That was good. All right, now go the other way. Build up again. All right, same thing here. Perfect. All right, now on your back. Skip. Yeah, that was a good one. Let's go this side. Keep that relaxed. That one's a little tighter. All right, now slide to the top. All right, keep this nice and relaxed. Relax this muscle right here. Good. Very good. Same thing going this way. Relax this one right here. Good.
L2 all the way up to L1. Then we're going to move up above T12 because we already got that. Okay, just breathe normal. There you go. I still got one in here. Probably felt a lot different when they looked on YouTube, huh?
Yes, sir.
Better in person, huh? Okay, here you go. Let this go. That's it. One more. There. Okay. There you go. Yes, sirree. Home run. That's why I call it ring ding.
Yes, sir. I'll be right.
Keep breathing. There you go. You're still kicking. You're right.
Wow.
Yeah, a wow is right. Okay, relax this. Okay, now let me do it. You're trying to help me. Tilt your right ear to your right shoulder. There you go. The Astros are playing today. Nope. Double dinger time.
Lord.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
Should have felt that second one all the way down. Yeah, I had to do a double dinger on you because you resisted on that first one.
Oh.
That'll be the title of your video. Double dinger for North Carolina man. There you go.
Oh, wow.
2. Yes, sir. Yep.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So a lot of people wonder why we don't answer our phone. You guys were here yesterday, and it was pretty crazy all day. Did Renee have time to even answer the phone?
Oh man.
Just a little bit, really just pushing to get a little bit more movement through here. All right, and I'm actually gonna take your head, and all you have to do is just relax right through here, okay? Good. Just head a little, there you go. You can feel that now. Good. Good. Let me go this way through here. Good. There it is. How'd that feel?
Amazing.
Now put your hands on your stomach for me. Now just relax as much as you can. Good. We're gonna do one more. And through here. Good. 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 So I'm gonna pull this way. Good. So I'm going to press down on you pretty hard here. Good. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Good. Relax right here. Good. How'd that feel?
It was good.
Exhale out. Now relax this. Good. Good. Go ahead on your back.
The alignment of the zygapophyseal joint. There.
Big Dodgers, because you know.
Yeah. We got a bunch of injured players here in Houston right now. They need to get their butts out here and get fixed.
Yeah, I felt good.
Should have felt that all the way up into your lower back.
Yeah, that was good.
And your knees too. There you go.
Oh,
Super.
I've been. All right.
Put your hands right here on you. Tell me for me, please, sir. Now, I did a distraction test on him earlier, which felt better. There, and looking at his x-rays, he's got some degenerative disc disease. So this helps take compressive stress off of those discs. They're out the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine. Did you feel that all the way down? Good.
I heard it too.
Yep. Okay, relax. Here, put your hands right there. Oh, yeah, see,
yeah.
crack addicts don't like you too.
Oh.
Yeah, that's right. I feel safer with your ears now. Okay. Just a nice deep breath. There you go. Just like that. See, people think that somebody your size, I'm going to just pull your head off. That's what they all want to see. I see, you're going to be a crack addict's favorite. There you go. Good job. Okay. There you go. That's it. I knew I had another one. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Let me have your leg. Can't get out here without me pulling your leg. There you go. There we go. Let this go. There, girl. Okay. Now let's see.